Hello friends, how are you? Are you ready for a new social science class? Today's Wednesday the 3rd RD of June. Let's spell Wednesday. Have to write the date. Today we're going to correct pages 56 and 57 and we're going to start page 58. So you can write the date on page 58. Wednesday, W-E-D. Sometimes you forget the D. Remember we say in our heads, Wednesday. But we don't say it in English like that, no. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. D-A-Y, day. All the days of the week finish with the word day. Day is día. Day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And what about the months? Let's do tra-la-la. We haven't done tra-la-la for a long time. January, February, March. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. April, May, June. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. July, August, September. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. October, November, December. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. 12 months in a year, 12 months, and 7 days in a week. Week, month. Okay, so we have to correct the box on page 57. The words are Europe, our continent, Iberian Peninsula. Iberian Peninsula is where Spain, Portugal, and Portugal are, and in the border we have Andorra. The next one is Spain. The next one is Ceuta and Melilla. Ready? Is part of what goes there? Spain is part of Europe. Spain is a country in Europe. In Europe there are 50 countries. 50. So Spain is part of Europe. Spain, Portugal, and Andorra are part of the Iberian Peninsula. And a peninsula is almost completely surrounded by water, but not quite, okay? Almost. It's not like an island. An island, not island, remember, no. Island, we don't say the S, island, is surrounded by water, completely surrounded by water. A peninsula, almost, but not quite. So the box. I'm going to start again. Spain is part of Europe. Spain, Portugal, and Andorra are part of the Iberian Peninsula. Spain has 2 cities in the North Africa called Ceuta and Melilla. Ceuta and Melilla they're in Africa, but they belong to Spain. They are autonomous cities, all right? Good. Turn the page. Who are Spain's neighbors? Neighbors are vecinos. Who are Spain's neighbors? Do you know? Tell me. One is Portugal. I love Portugal. People in Portugal are so nice. There are beautiful places, beautiful landscapes, cities, beaches. You have to go to Portugal. It's great. Another neighbor is France. France is at the north of Spain. Remember, north, south, east, west. The north of Spain, we have France. And right there at the border, we have a little country called Andorra. Andorra is also our neighbor. And if you go south and you cross the ocean, here we have Africa. Africa is a continent, but we have a country there that is Morocco. Morocco. I also like Morocco very much. It's very interesting, very different to Spain. You have to visit all these places so that you can see how people live around the world. Because sometimes we think that everybody lives like we live in Madrid. And no. Life in other places is really, really different. Good. So first we're going to listen. Write the date. Remember, Wednesday the 3rd of June. June. Hello, June. We have a friend in our class. with the name June. And we're going to listen, read, and talk about it. Who are Spain's neighbors? Go.
Who are Spain's neighbors? A border is a line between two countries. Spain has got a border with France, Portugal, and Andorra. They are Spain's neighbors.
So if you look at this map, you can see very clearly the borders. The borders are the frontiers between one country and another one. So here you see the line that separates Spain from Portugal. That's the border between Spain and Portugal. Here you have the line that separates France and Spain. And here you have little Andorra with all its border around it. Okay? They don't say that Morocco or in Africa is our neighbor because there's an ocean between, there's water between us and them. Okay? Good. So trace the three borders. Take your pencil and trace the lines. You need to try to memorize the map of the Iberian Peninsula and Spain. And here we have a little project. If you want to try to do it, you have to try to remember the map, the Iberian Peninsula and the map of Spain in your head and draw the picture of Spain without looking. Let's see if you can do that. We will read it in a minute. Fun fact, Andorra has the highest capital city in Europe. Very, very high. Andorra is a place full of mountains. It's right there in the Pyrenees here. The border between France and Spain, we have the Pyrenees, the Pyrenees. A lot of people go there hiking. People do mountain activities. They go skiing. All right. So the highest capital city in Europe is in Andorra. All right. Let's look at the dictionary now. We have 4 words. Andorra, and you have to find the sticker, France, Portugal, and neighbors. And we're going to read the box. Spain has got a border with and They are Spain's what? They are Spain's bananas. They are Spain's apples. They are Spain's something. I think it's very easy. This box is easy. All right, let's look at the project. Close your eyes and draw. So you have to do it with your eyes closed. That's very difficult. Do you remember the shape of Spain? Close your eyes and draw. Now talk about Spain's neighbors. Where are they? Spain has got 3 neighbors. Do you know the names of Spain's neighbors? Talk about your country. So I want you to close your eyes, try to draw the picture, the shape of the Iberian Peninsula with Portugal, okay? And then try to write the names of the 3 neighbors. Portugal, France, and Andorra. Not with your eyes closed, of course. Open your eyes to write the names. If not, it would be very, very difficult. Impossible to read, probably. Okay, so this is your work for today. Let me know if you have any difficulties with this activity. I'm also going to try to find some videos about Spain. There are funny videos in YouTube, so hope you like them. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I love you.